Hello friends, welcome to today's video. So in today's video, we're just doing a little bit of cleaning. I don't think this video is going to be very long. It's just mainly cleaning my kitchen and stuff and like vacuuming the living room. It's really not, very much cleaning, but I do really hope it gives you good cleaning motivation, and I really hope you enjoy it. And before we get started, don't forget to go down and hit the subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and also go over and follow me on Instagram. I would really love it for you to be over there. Again, I've said this before, if you're new here, Instagram is where you're gonna get updates, and I'll let you know like if there's a new video live, things like that. But yeah, again, I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's just get on into the cleaning.
keep on trying.